We'll demonstrate feather stitch. First, come up from upper left. Take down vertically below here. Don't pull thread tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at middle point, where two lines cross. You can hold loop down with finger. To prevent it from moving, pull thread. Vertically below exit point, which is end of lower line. Take down. Same way, don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at middle point of V shape formed by crossing lines. Also, take down at vertical point here. Don't pull tight. Come up at middle point of V shape. Following these operation steps, complete remaining pattern. Stitches alternate up-down, left-right, extending to both sides. Each time coming up must be at middle point of V shape to present interlocking. Feather-like effect. I usually use this stitch for plant embroidery or pattern decoration. It can create unique effects. Final stitch. Take down at line end here. Knot on back. Let's see the finished effect.